Hi everyone, I'm Harish Reddy. I'm going to give you the details about the health insurance. You can see the link in the first page itself. You can click on that link and you can get the quotation and you can buy the policy. Okay. In case if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and click on a bell icon. Today I'm going to give the detail about the health insurance. Why health insurance is required? Health insurance is required in order to protect the illness which comes without our notice. Why health insurance is a must is because we live in a unhealthy lifestyle. We eat junk foods and we eat late nights. We do not exercise regularly or do not exercise at all. There is a lot of stress in our daily life. Due to all these things, we are getting unhealthy at the very young age. Okay, we eat junk foods in the sense nowadays there are many junk foods which is coming such as McDonald's, pizza or any other stuffs or otherwise many oily items are coming in the this one what to say bakeries. We start eating those things because of the taste and we do not think about our health and we sleep late nights by looking at the TV shows or something else and we sleep very lately and we do not exercise at all nowadays because we think that we do not have time for all these things and we do not make up our mind for doing all these things and all, and there is a lot of stress. We create a stress ourselves by thinking that we are going to do something big, and actually speaking we are creating a stress ourselves and we are not going to do anything much bigger. We need to be stress free. It depends upon our mind. Okay, due to all these things we are getting unhealthy at very young age. Due to the between 30 to 40 years of age there are minimum 40 to 50 persons who are diabetic and have a what is a high BP nowadays. And coming to the main benefits of the Religare Care health policy, compared to the any other insurance, Religare Care provides a very good benefits in our healthcare protection. You'll be having a 1%, 150% no claim bonus. In case if you're not going to claim the what is a if you're not going to claim any amount in the first year, then you are going to get the 60% in the first year and 40% in the second year and 30 and 20 and 10 in the 5 years span of production. You will be getting a 150% no claim bonus, and when you claim for the first time, if you have the bonus for the first year for 60%, the second year you are going to lose that 60%, and after the third year you will be getting the 40%. There is a complimentary health checkup every year. In spite of whether you get illness or not, you can straight away go and get the checkup. There are 5 to 7 checkups depend upon the production plan you are buying, and you can tap down to the nearby lab in our area, and you can get the checkup done. In this, you cannot go to any of the hospitals and you cannot get it done. Now there is a diagnosis center recognized by a Religare health insurance. They will attach that particular diagnostic center to that particular pin code area, and they will put it online on the website. You can call the customer care. They will give you the details about this. You need to call them and you need to fix an appointment with the diagnostic center, and you need to go to them and you can get the diagnosis done. What's a useful benefit for us by calling the customer care is we need not go and wait in the diagnosis center, and once we get an appointment we can straight away go and get our diagnosis done. So you need to be in a fasting for at least 12 hours before. You need to be in a fasting stage before going to the diagnostic. So why this is given is because you cannot go to any other hospitals is because this is a diagnostic center which is given in every area, and it will be useful for you also. And ambulance cover, whenever you are going to a hospital, if there is a necessity for ambulance, you can claim the ambulance cover also. Minimum 2000 rupees ambulance cover will be given, and no limitation in the hospitalization. There is a bed charges limitation in some other policies or some other companies which are giving that. In ours also there is a policy which starts from the 5 lakh rupees. Starting from the 5 lakh rupees, there is no limitation for a bed cover. You can avail a single AC room bed, and there is no limitation for ICU as well. So this is called a limitation as well, otherwise capping. It is called as capping. So in other it is an hidden agenda which will not be told by any other persons in some other policies. So you need to get the information from them properly, and there will be a 1 second opinion free per year. 1 second opinion free per year in the sense like if you once you go to your doctor, they will after looking into your reports they will tell you have to undergo some surgery. You may have a doubt saying that I need not go, and you may have some doubt. So what you do is you will take a second opinion. In that case what you can do is you can scan that all the scanning report and diagnosis report, and you can email to customerfirst@relicarehealthinsurance.com. Our doctors will look into this, and they will give you exact opinion of what has to be and whether the surgery has to be done or not. You may ask the question, why will you people give the proper suggestions? Why? Because we are the persons who are giving the health protection cover for you. So if we are telling that unnecessarily, if we are telling that there is a surgery has to be done, then it's our money, company money, which is going to be lost. So that is one of the reason, genuine reason, that they are going to give you the exact opinion. So auto recharge after the sum insured get exhausted. Auto recharge in the sense, like, if you have taken the sum insured for a 5 lakh rupees, and if you are hospitalized and your 5 lakh rupees is exhausted, there is a auto recharge which is given from the company, which will automatically recharge the 5 lakh rupees without any extra payment from the customer. Benefits. So what happens is, there will be no health checkup for you for getting policy until the age of 45. After the 45 years of age, there will be a blood checkup, which they will collect the blood samples from you from your home, and if there is any what is a BP or sugar, they will decide whether they have to give you the policy or not. There are some other policies meant for persons with a diabetic and high BP, so they will be giving you that particular policy, which has a co-payment of 80/20 co-ratio. Okay, pre-hospitalization. What is pre-hospitalization is 30 days before hospitalization. So you will go to a doctor saying that you have got a fever, and they will give you some tablets for the fever to go. Once you take the tablets, within a week's time, you will finish the course and see that if the fever has not gone to you, you will once again go to the same doctor for checkup. After checking, the doctor will tell you have to get the blood checkup done and some other things. So once they see the results, they'll tell you have to get hospitalized, because there may be malaria, dengue, or some other things which is related to those things. You have to get hospitalization. See, pre-hospitalization means once you get admitted, at least minimum for a period of 24 hours from the day you get hospitalized, the date you get hospitalized. Before that, in the 30 days before that, whatever the medicines you have taken and whatever the expenses you have undergone for the medical treatments can be reimbursed through this. So after admitting and get discharged, you can get what is a medical claim by providing all the bills and what is the reports which has been got done by you. And post-hospitalization is something like, once after you get admitted, you get discharged. From the date of discharge, there will be a 60 days time. The doctor will tell you have to come once again after the 1 week, and you have to get the scanning or a blood checkup done in order to find out whether still there is some problem or not. So in that case, what happens after the discharge, from the date of discharge, for the period of 60 days, whatever the treatments you are undergoing, or whatever the scan reports, or whatever the diagnosis you are undergoing, you can claim that amount also from the health insurance company. So that is called a post-hospitalization. Domiciliary cover. Domiciliary treatment includes medical expenses incurred by the insured in case of treatment taken at his by her home, which would otherwise have required hospitalization. Mediclaim insurance policies cover the insured for domiciliary treatments. Domiciliary treatments are those which are taken at the home. In case if you are not able to go to the hospital, or if you go to the hospital and if there are no beds which can be given for you at that particular time, and the doctor suggests that you can take the treatment at your house, and they come to your house and treat you for a period of 2 to 3 days. Even in such case, domiciliary expenses would be covered. Daycare treatments. Daycare treatments are those which are done under a general or local anesthesia in a hospital or in a daycare center and take less than 24 hours. There is a list of such treatments that are covered under the scope of your health plan. So daycare treatments are those which are treated within 24 hours. You just go and within 24 hours, without getting hospitalized for a period of 24 hours, you will be coming back to your house. Such treatments are called daycare treatments. There are 540 daycare treatments listed. Out of that, 180 treatments will be covered immediately, and rest of the daycare treatments will be covered after 2 years. So you can get the complete list of daycare treatments on our website. Organ donor cover. Organ donor cover are those in case if you want to get the kidney transplantation done, some other person has to donate us the kidney. So when they are donating the kidney, the operation charges will be covered for that particular person, not the kidney charges. The operation charges will be covered for the opposite person, for a tune of up to 1 lakh or 2 lakh rupees depending upon the cover you are buying, and the health cover will be provided for you also. Ayurvedic treatment cover. Ayurvedic treatment cover will be given if you are taking the treatment, will be given up to a tune of 20,000 rupees if you are taking the treatment with the government hospital itself, not any other private hospital. You should go to the government Ayurvedic hospital and get the treatment done. Then you can claim the bill which they have given, and you can claim the bill from the Ayurvedic treatment. Network and non-network hospitals. There are network and non-network hospitals. Network hospitals are those which are recognized by the Religare Health Insurance Company and which is cashless. There are more than 5,400 hospitals all over India as of now, and in alone in Bangalore itself there are more than 450 hospitals. So the list of hospitals are given on the website on the ReligareHealthInsurance.com. You can click on a network hospital list and you can click on your area or a pin code. It will show you the hospitals which are recognized by Religare Health Insurance and tied up with us. When you go to those such hospitals, you can just show the card. You can avail a cashless treatment from those companies, from those hospitals. Non-network hospitals are those which are not listed in the Religare Health Insurance website. Once you go to such hospitals, you will avail a treatment from them, because those doctors may not come to any other network hospitals, and you want to he may be your family doctor, and he may be knowing very much more than any other doctor you may be knowing the past history of your illness. So you would feel that he would be the right person to get treated. You may go there, you get treated from him, you pay the bill for him, and once you pay the bill from him, you can get all the reports and bills, and you can come and claim in the Religare Health Insurance Company, and it will be claimed. The claim will be sent to your bank account within a period of 21 days, depending upon the claims and bills, depending upon the reports and bills you have given. What is not covered? See, what is not covered in the health insurance policy is, if somebody is drinking and driving, it will not be covered. Means the meaning is, if anything which is illegal, which is defined illegal, is not covered under these policies. And congenital diseases. Congenital diseases are those which by birth, which by birth itself will be there in the person. Those things are not covered. Okay, and if you are hiding any information if you are hiding any information while purchasing the health insurance policy, then those things will not be covered. So if you have a pre-existing disease, that after 4 years of waiting period, that will be covered. If you are not telling that properly, or while buying the health insurance policy, then straight away they will reject the policy, saying that it is not covered. Why? Because when you go to your treatment, the doctors will take your history, and they will send the report for a claim saying that this person has this disease from past so many years, and they will mention it in the form, and they will send it to the claim. At such time, they will deny it very easily. And general consultation is not covered. You may ask, if I go to a doctor and just come back, will the consultation be covered? Normally saying general consultation is not covered. If you want a general consultation, there is another option. There is an add-on. You have to pay another extra 2,000 or 3,000 rupees for add-on, and you can get the general consultation. Per year there will be a 6 to 8 consultations free. You have to pay 2,000 rupees per year, and this consultation will also be free in the Religare network hospitals only, which is identified by Religare. And there will be a card given for a smart card. You have to take that smart card and swipe it in the Religare health insurance kiosk machine there, so you can get the consultation done from them. Pregnancy is not covered under this policy. Pregnancy for the reason, pregnancy and abortion, all these things are all not covered under any of the policies given by any other health insurance companies. So in our Religare health insurance, for a pregnancy, there is a plan called Joy policy. Particularly for a maternity, you can buy that Joy policy, which has a waiting period for 9 months. Okay, and waiting period is there for few diseases. Go through the documentation to know exactly. See, there are waiting period for some diseases, which are the examples like kidney stone formation or gallbladder stone formation or hernia, which can be identified by the doctors and which can be cured by the tablets itself at the early stage. So all these things will not be covered. Because why? Because it will take minimum of 2 years. 2 years waiting period will be there. After the waiting period of 2 years, all these things will be covered. You can go through the documentation of which are not covered. You can have a check with this, and you can get to know. And in case, without knowing, after telling all these things to you clearly, if you want to go and get hospitalized, please call us on this number. Don't hesitate to call this. First, call us and get to know for what reason you are going to get hospitalized and whether it is covered under this policy or not for a period of 2 years or afterwards, whatever it is. See, what usually people do is they straight away go to the hospital thinking that they have a complete cover of all the illness, and they will go to big hospitals thinking that there is a cover, and they would like to get a very good health treatment and diagnosis. They will straight away go to big hospitals and they will show the card. So even after showing the card, to know whether this is covered under this policy or not, or the claim is covered under this policy or not, there is a time period of at least 1 day in the hospital, and the communication between the health insurance policy companies will be around at least 1 day to get to know that whether it is claimable or not. So first what you do is at least you call us. Otherwise, when you go to hospital also, don't get straight away hospitalized. Straight away go to insurance department and tell that this is the problem and apply for a claim. Once you come to know that the claim will be approved, you just get hospitalized from the particular doctors. Otherwise, don't get hospitalized. Straight away you will just go to big hospitals thinking that there is a cover. After once you come to know that there are some things which are not covered, we would have told you that, but you would have forgotten. Within once after hearing, you cannot remember everything. Nobody can remember everything just by hearing only once, or you would have not gone through the documentation also. So there is a problem with this. So this is where the people gets into problem or a trouble and have a bad relationship with us, or this would be a bad thing for us also to do the policy or give the service. So better you call us and get to know with us whether this will be covered under this policy or not. Otherwise, go to hospital and find out whether the claim is covered or not. Don't straight away get hospitalized. And we get tax benefits for the policy. For whatever the health insurance policy you are claiming, you will be getting a tax policy under the Income Tax Act 80 of C or 80 of D, I guess. I'm not sure. Need to go check on the website. And see, these are the things. And there are situations how much ever the money we have got, we may not be having a hard cash immediately to pay, or we cannot withdraw the amount or required amount from the bank directly when we doesn't have the health insurance policy. Then the lump sum, the amount may be huge. It may be sometimes the knee operation would cost you somewhere around 4 to 5 lakh rupees, and the heart operation would cost you around something around 8 to 10 lakh rupees. Whatever the rich we are, even then we may not be having the liquid cash at our house, since we cannot have the liquid cash at our house. And then there are many restrictions in the banks to withdraw the money. We have to tell them in advance, wait in a queue, do all those things and all. So why have all these problems? And we depend on someone to provide us the money, and if they doesn't give us, we start thinking about those things, those people in a negative way. These are all not required at all. Just paying a small amount of money would protect us, protect our health, and keep us in a healthy relationship with all the people. So, and these are the major factors which will affect the economy of ourselves, and we spoil our economy by ourselves if we don't have a health insurance policy. So please buy this health insurance. And I'm going to show you the website which is given for us. You can straight away go to this particular website. You can type this link and it will be shown here. The health insurance policy website will be opened here. Once you want to know the protection of the health insurance policy, you can click on the plan name. Once you click on the plan name, you can click on the Care with NCB. Care with NCB is the plan. Until now, whatever I explained is this particular policy only, that is Care with NCB. Care with NCB means care with no claim bonus, and you can enter the name, enter your name, and you can enter your email ID, enter your mobile number, and you can enter the total number of the total members in your policy who are getting covered. So if you are getting only a single cover for yourself individually, then click only one person. If you are getting the cover for more than one person, then press on two persons. If there are 2 children and 2 parents, then it will be 4 persons, and you need to tell here whether it's a individual policy or a floater policy. Individual policies are those, if you are buying a policy, each person will be having a 5 lakh rupees coverage. That is an individual policy, and the premium would be a little bit higher than the family floater. but we insist, we recommend to buy an individual policy itself. Why? Because if there are individual policy in your house, if one person get admitted to the hospital for some illness, and if he is claiming the amount, the rest of the persons will not get affected. Means the no claim bonus will not be affected for all the three other persons. In case if you are buying a family floater, one single 5 lakh rupees is a kind of protection for all the four members in a family. And if one of the member gets admitted, and if he exhausts a amount of Rs 3 lakh rupees, and 2 lakh rupees is only left for another 2 to 3 persons, and there is no claim bonus. So this is the major advantage and disadvantage in this family floater. Your premium may be a little bit less, but when it comes to individual, it may be a little bit high, but it will be good because all the other three persons will be having a no claim bonus, and only one person will not be having the no claim bonus. Still, he will be having a health cover. So this is the difference. If you are buying it individually, you need to select the person within what age range you will be coming under. You can select that age. If there are more than 2 persons, you need to give the age of both the members here. So what I will do is I will select only one person here now. As of now, I will give the age group is into. I will select the age group, and what I will do is here the sum insured is, it is showing how much, for how many lakhs you are getting sum insured into. Here it's by default it's showing 10 lakh rupees. What we can do is we can select 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 7 lakhs also. What I say is at least start from the 5 lakh rupees. Don't go for 3 or 4 lakh rupees. Start from the 5 lakh rupees, and this is for a period of 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. If you're taking for 1 year, the premium will be little high. If you're going for 2 years, then you will be getting a discount of 7.5% off on the premium for 2 years. And if you're going to get a policy for 3 years, on the 3 years sum premium, you'll be getting a 10% off. And when you calculate sum year, what happens is your 2 premiums will come here. One is without no claim bonus, and the second one is with no claim bonus. You can select the second option. Whatever the premium it is, it will show you the premium. And what you can do is straight away you can click on the agreement, and you can click on get quote and buy, and you can straight away by filling up the details you can buy the policy online itself straight away. Okay, but on this page make sure that this name will be shown. Otherwise, if you are directly doing through the company, there is no problem still, but you won't be getting the service straight away come from the company. You have to fight with the company yourself straight away without having the service. You need to call the customer care every time. But if you are doing from here, it will come to our agent code. The cost will be same even if you are doing directly from the company, or if you are doing even with us also, the premium will be the same. But we will be getting in touch with you and will be assisting you in whatever the services required for you. And here they are given all the details which is given until now. Whatever I said, they are given all the details here for 5 lakhs, 7 lakhs and 10 lakh rupees. You can have a check here, and you have a network hospital list here, and you can renew the policy online here, and there is a claim center here. You can click on this and you can get a claim straight away without having to wait for anyone else. When you get hospitalized, we will be getting a message from the company saying that your client has got hospitalized, please get in touch with them. So we will only get in touch with you. Even if you don't tell us, we will get in touch with you and will help you for getting your process smoother. Okay, so I hope you have understood all this what I have told. In case if there are any doubts regarding this, you please call or WhatsApp on my number, which is 8660 671 220. Okay, thank you very much.